from a natural daytime look to a more nighttime look. And you don't have to redo your makeup. First, let's get into the daytime look. I'm going to start off with some sunscreen. You always need some sunscreen. Next, I'm going to apply some foundation. I'm using Mirabella's Invincible For All in the shade Medium M120. Your brows frame your face, so we're going to use Mirabella's medium brow pencil to shape these brows. And then I'm going to seal it all in using their Pro Sculpt Clear Brow Gel. Keeping the eyes very neutral, using Mirabella's True to You Buff Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm just going to add in a couple of neutral shades. For my eyeliner, I'm using the shade Twig and Mirabella's Eye Definer just to add a pop. Then I'm using their face trios to add a little bit of contour and a very natural blush and highlighter. I'm using the shade Nearly Nude and their Velvet Lip Crayon. Now let's do the nighttime look. Add a little bit of smoke. Then I'm going to add a chocolate brown on top of the crease and a gold glitter eye in the inner corner and lower lash line. Then I'm going to use smoke as an eyeliner and I'm going to smudge it out with a liner brush. Bringing the nighttime look together, I'm using their lip crayon in the shades Raspberry Riot and Sunset Coral in the middle. Lastly, and optional, I use a deeper blush and a more opaque opalescent styled highlighter. What do you think? Did I show you how to simplify your day to nighttime makeup looks without having to redo your makeup?